Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse guys for the crankshaft position sensor is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way do not waste your money. Complete video about that guys will be shared today. Make sure to stay until the end, all that will be shared for your convenience. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So the crankshaft position sensor fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on the 2013 Toyota Camry right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working on one of them, and this is the fuse box that's easy to access. Right under the hood, open the hood guys. This is your engine. Car battery here, and you guys have, okay, the fuse box right here. Open that cover and you'll see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue now, quickly let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now here guys, okay, let's talk about that. That's towards the windshield side, this is towards the front of the Toyota Camry. That fuse is known under a different name guys. It's not as a crankshaft position sensor fuse, it has multiple functions, and it's known as an EFI fuse. EFI is electronic fuel injection system. It needs to know, okay, the position of the crankshaft, so it uses that fuse guys as the part of that, and detects where the pistons are so it can ignite the fuel, spray fuel and all that stuff. So if you come in that row of fuses here, that fuse on the very left side here, that's the green 30 amp fuse, that's for the crankshaft position sensor and multiple other functions as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.